Hi folks, I'm Craig Taylor, and as always a huge thanks for joining me here on my YouTube channel, the Bushcraft Padawan. I'm out in the woods today just for the afternoon. It's a beautifully sunny bank holiday, public holiday here in the UK. So I've come out for the afternoon into the woods with the kids and the missus and Willow the dog, and we're just enjoying some time out here, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to record a short video about my new Mora Garberg Carbon knife. Now this is not a review of the knife. I've only owned it about a month. It spent a full week out with me on the recent Woodcrafter course. If you've not seen that video, I'm linking to it up here. But to be honest, I didn't use it a great deal. I was mostly using an axe. So this is not a review of the knife because I haven't used it long enough, to be perfectly honest. What it is though is just a fly on the wall capture, if you like, of me trying this knife out for some fire starting techniques. I've never had a knife that I've been comfortable with that's had a 90-degree spine. I've had lots of Moras that I'm happy with. They haven't had a 90-degree spine, and I've kind of ruined the spine by trying to do it myself. I'm not very DIY minded that way. And I've also had a TBS Grizzly, I think it was, knife that did have a 90-degree spine, but I just wasn't happy with the knife itself. So this is the first knife that I've got. There it is. That I'm happy with, that has a 90-degree spine, and another cool feature as well for fire starting. So why don't you join me to look at a few different techniques using the back of the spine onto birch bark, using the pommel at the end of the handle onto birch bark, and also using the back of the spine using some flint onto char cloth. So let's see how I get on with those. Well, there we have it. 3 different techniques slash tinders, all of them successful. This knife, in conjunction with my ferro rod and the flint, throws some beasts of sparks, whether that's onto the birch bark or whether that was onto the char cloth, as you saw. So very, very, very happy with that. Like I said earlier in the video, I've had knives that have had 90-degree spines to help me throw sparks, and I've had knives that I've been very happy with using, but I've just never had them in conjunction with one another. I think that's just changed with me purchasing the Mora Garberg Carbon about a month or so ago. If you enjoyed watching this video, if it's made you think, if it made you smile, please do give it a thumbs up. That was just Willow hurtling past in the background. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you think there's somebody in your network that would benefit from this, there's a share button below. You know what to do with it. And finally, if you are not yet a subscriber, please do click on that button in this corner of the screen here, and as if by magic, you will become a subscriber. Thanks to everybody that is. Thanks for watching this video and sticking with it to the end, and I'll see you very shortly. Cheers.